Well, hello there, my friend. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I think it's been like 2 months since I've posted on YouTube, and well, I don't know. Do I really need to justify myself? It's been a bit, not even tough, but I just lost all motivation when it comes to YouTube. I stopped watching videos, I stopped filming videos, I stopped doing makeup almost altogether. It was kind of crazy. I don't know, did I get lazy? Or I don't think it's laziness, because if I had to do the makeup I would do it, but I just couldn't bring myself, you know, to go upstairs to my filming studio and film something. But today I was like, I want to film something. I want to put a full face of makeup on. I just want to do something. So here we are. I'm hoping I can get back to my usual routine. That's my plan, you know, posting a couple of times a week, and you know, just kind of starting to, you know, go back into the routine basically. So yeah, that is the story why I was gone, but I am back and I'm hoping that I stay. Anyway, today's video is an unboxing of all of my 3 boxes. Actually there was, yeah, it's definitely 2 months, because I remember receiving the boxes and then just kind of, you know, putting the products away without even kind of taking any notice of them. But yeah, here we go. It is August, so these are my August boxes. So if you're interested in what I got in my boxes, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with the smallest one, which is a birch box. Actually, guys, I want to show you something, okay? Ta-da! This is a big, oh my god, okay. This is Biggie. This is my brother's dog. My brother, he got a new job and he has asked me to take care of Biggie while he's gone, and you know, throughout the week basically. So I have this big little guy, you know, for to keep me entertained while I work from home and while I film videos, and he just keeps biting me. But yeah, he is a Jack Russell and Chihuahua mix. Look at him, look at this face. He is the cutest. He's still a puppy. I think he's about 8 months, so that's why he keeps, you're gonna break my nail. That's why he keeps biting stuff. Look at this, look at this beast, look at this beast, look at this beast. He's the cutest thing ever. Okay, I'm gonna let you go back. But yeah, I wanted to show him to you. I am so happy that I have him, because you know, I'm not bored like I used to. Maybe that was the reason why I lost my motivation. I was just, you know, kind of in the rush, but now I have Biggie for most of the week, and you know, I'm just going back into the routine. Anyway, birch box. Okay, first things first is a Lord and Berry eye pencil in the shade Line, I think. No, Antique Bronze eye pencil. Oh, so it's a bronze. So let's see. Let's swatch it. This is what it looks like. Very nice. I actually don't mind it. That's kind of, I'm actually gonna throw this away. Nice. We'll keep it on to see if it you know, if it lasts basically. Then the next thing is in the packaging. We have a Real Her Incredible bronzer. So this is the packaging. Is it gonna focus? No, because it's so shiny. Oh, it's so tiny. It's so tiny. It's so tiny. But oh, okay, and there was this plastic thingy on it. Taking that off. But at least it's matte. That's what I like, because previously I've received a bronzer, which I was kind of super excited about because I don't have many bronzers, but it was shimmery. So I wore it once and I was like, nah, out you go. So this is what it looks like. Looks like a nice kind of neutralish color. I thought someone was knocking, but apparently not. I think it was just the neighbors. Anyway, back to the bronzer. Looks nice. I really like it. Next up, I have this Brave New Care Minty Twinkle Twinkle Hair and Body Shimmer. Look at this color. Oh my god. When am I ever going to wear this, guys. Look at this, it's so cute. It's perfect for holidays, but yeah, that's not gonna happen. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here. I have it there. Can you even see? I know, I can see it in person. It gives a lovely, lovely sparkle. So if you have a tan on and you put this on and you maybe go clubbing or even just, you know, kind of on the beach, this would be super nice. But we're not going to the beach anytime soon. Next up is a VQ Beauty, I think BAAAACK Beauty. This is a pineapple glow serum. Interesting. It's a lightweight morning and evening serum made with pineapple extracts, antioxidants, molecular hyaluronic acid, provitamin B5 and golden light refractor to hydrate, enhance your natural glow in 3 to 4 drops. This is very nice and it looks super fancy as well, so I'm happy to have that in my collection because it looks really good. And then the last thing I have is the Palmer's coconut oil formula. This is a deep conditioning mask. I used to have it before. I enjoy it. It's not as good as the Hask masks, but it does the job and I enjoy it. Yeah, that was a really, really nice box. Excited about the bronzer and the serum. I'm excited about this, but it's not like I'm gonna use it, so yeah, good box though. And next month, actually, I already chose it today. Actually, we have a choice between a lip gloss and a lipstick bullet from MCO Beauty. So this is what it looks like. Before we go into glossy box, I just smudged this pencil around and it does smudges. So maybe not perfect for the waterline, but could be good for like a base, you know, underneath shadows. Next up we have glossy box, and this was an anniversary kind of box because look at this, there's ribbons and everything. Very, very cute. Loving it. The first thing that I see is a beauty sponge, which is great. This one is from Beauty Works and it looks like this. Quite tough, I must admit, but maybe if I wet it, it's gonna be okay. Perfect. I love sponges. I use sponges every day. This one is from Penneys actually. I haven't been to Penneys in ages. I need to go, but I bought them in Penneys and they're amazing. So yeah, a sponge is great anyway, you know. Next up I have a, sorry, I was just looking at the dog. Just done. Next up I have a Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick in the shade Day Slayer. Now give me 1 second because I think I have it. And I do. So now I have two. No, I'm gonna keep the one that I had open and I'm just gonna give the unopened one to my friend. And I'm sure one of them will want it, you know. It's a good liquid lipstick. It's kind of like the name says, it's a demi matte, so it provides the coverage of a liquid lipstick, but it does not dry out your lips. So this one's really, really good. Next up I have a Glossy Box Skincare Eye Boost Cream. So I've received so many emails from Glossy Box. They've actually came out with their own skincare line, and in this box I received an eye cream. I have so many eye creams. I hate getting eye creams. Like, look at this. This is probably gonna last me, okay, the shelf life is 6 months, but I'm probably gonna use it for 18 because that's how long it takes for me to use up eye creams. So great for Glossy Box, but not great for me. Next up I have a Molten and Brown Bath and Shower Gel, and this one is in the scent Delicious Rose, Delicious Rhubarb and Rose. So this is what it looks like. Lovely pink. Let's open it up and smell it. Oh my god, if you could guys smell, oh jeez, this is so nice. Oh, I love it. I love it. It smells, the main kind of fragrance in this guy is the rhubarb, and the rose is just complimentary, which is so good. And then next up we have a Steve Laurent item, and I think this is a lip liner. If I can open, yeah, it definitely is a lip liner, but I need to open it up first. And this is what it looks like. So let's just see what color is it, because the back shows a different color to what the actual packaging looks like. So let's see. Okay, yeah, definitely looks like the top. Oh, it's quite dark actually. Not the kind of lip liner or lipstick I would wear. We'll see, we'll see. Not bad. Okay, so this is it from my glossy box, and yeah, it was a nice, where did I put that lipstick? Oh, I put it back. Oh, never mind. It was a nice box. I mean, the Huda Beauty thing was nice if I had a different color, because it was receive 1 of 10. So like I had a 10% chance of getting the same color that I already have, but sure, that's my luck. But yeah, it was nice, but I think I liked my Birchbox better, which is weird. And then next month, I think, does it say? Yes, sneak peek, we are going to get some Avant skincare. It doesn't really say what, but it will be from Avant. So yeah. Okay, and the last box is Look Fantastic, so let's just get right into it. We got a Caudalie Perfect Radiance Serum. It's complexion correcting, so this is what it looks like. Really nice. I love serums. Then we have a Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm for the hair. So this is a leave-in balm that preps and primes your hair for all stylings and techniques. Really nice, because it's like a leave-in conditioner, and I love leave-in conditioners, so good, love it. And then next up I have a sun drenched body wash. So this is a gentle golden micellar cleanser, but is it for the body? Yeah, apply to wet skin in the shower or bath. Massage to release the creamy foam. Looks like it's for the body, so I have another shower gel, which is great. And this seems different because it's golden, gentle, and it's micellar, so interesting. Not bad, not bad. And next up we have a mascara, and this one is from Ico. So it is, yeah, it is a mini. I don't actually mind getting minis because I know I will use them up. I'm not going to open it to show you how the wand looks like because I already have a mascara open, but you'll see it soon anyway. And then I have a Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion, and it is Sea Kissed. So this is what it looks like. That's great. I love body lotions. I know, I remember when I used to say I hate getting body lotions because I never go through them. Now I love getting body lotions because I go through them so quickly. And then the last thing is a Bella Pierre Mineral Blush in the shade Amaretto. So this is the packaging, and this is the color. That's a really pretty color. I think I already... Is this Bella Pierre? No, this is Annabelle Minerals. I already have a loose blush from another company, and I love using them for people. You know, when I'm doing makeup on people, I need a hydration break. Because they are so effective and efficient, you know, you don't use a lot and they just work perfectly. So yeah, I'm excited to have that. But yeah, that is it for my Look Fantastic. I wish I got more makeup because it's very, well, I got 2 makeup products, but they're like, this is nice, but that's kind of meh. Alright, it was okay, not great, but it was alright. And then for September's sneak peek, we're gonna get the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, 15 ml. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, that's it. That is it for today's video. Thanks for kind of, you know, hanging in there with me while I was gone. And, you know, honestly, I haven't even posted on my Instagram since I basically took a break from all social media, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, everything. I just kind of said, like, I lost all motivation for content creation. But yeah, hopefully, you know, I'm gonna get back into the swing of things eventually. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.